Today, I'm going to talk to you about my Realtor Bag and what's in my Realtor Bag and why it's so important. I'm going to take it inside and I'll show you everything that's in the bag. My Realtor Go Bag. I'm calling it a Realtor Go Bag because these are all of the really important things that I need to have with me, minimally in my car, if not on my person, when I'm out with clients. Let's talk about the basics. Obviously, water. Sometimes it's a long day. I need water. My clients need water. So I often bring water with me. Masks. This became a prerequisite during COVID. I still carry them because often people want them. Shoe covers. Shoe covers are important when you go into a house and someone might have a sign up that says, please remove your shoes, and your customer doesn't want to remove their shoes. You have the shoe covers ready. Also for yourself, sometimes you walk in, it's just easier to throw the shoe covers on. Disinfecting wipes. Lots of houses aren't terribly clean. Sometimes I need these disinfecting wipes when we come out of it to wipe down our hands, to wipe down maybe our shoes when we've come through the yard or when we've come through a really dirty basement. Tape measure. Always need a tape measure. Everyone wants to know what's the distance between here and here. And you can do it on your phone. There is an app for it, but this makes it easy for my client to be able to measure the length of their couch and actually see if they think their couch will fit. Food. You'll notice this is the very dry Nature Valley crunchy oats and honey, but this is a great thing for me to have with me in case when I'm with someone, they get hungry. There's no nuts, it's gluten-free, so I can give this to a customer and not worry about kicking off an issue they might have. My hat. You know, I use this hat a lot. It's raining, it's snowing. I need to be able to put a hat on just to cover my head. I can't really carry an umbrella. It doesn't make sense through a house. So, my hat. I use my hat all the time. Flashlight. Often, houses do not have the utilities on, or we want to look at something more closely. I've got my flashlight. This is a special one. It's also an emergency flashlight that has the siren sound and has a glass breaker on it that I keep in my car and with me. Tools. You know, people want to see what's underneath the carpet. People want to see behind something that sometimes I can't open. I always have something with me, tool-wise, to be able to open something. Sometimes it's the lockbox. Sometimes lockboxes get stuck and I need a tool to be able to open them. This works out terrific. It also makes me look like a genius with my customers because I have everything I need with me. Hand sanitizer. Always have to have it. No matter where we come out of, I offer it to my customers. This is the most important thing in my bag. The reason it's the most important thing is you might think that being hydrated is. This is for my ability to be able to flush a toilet. Sometimes in a house that's vacant, they have turned the water off and they haven't left you any information that the water's been turned off, and your client goes in to use the bathroom. You might not even know. I need a way to flush the toilet. This is important. This is my toilet flushing water. So many things happen during the course of showing houses, and if you're prepared, customers love it when I have stuff ready. You should have a go bag. Really important, put this bag back in the car when you're done. You're gonna need it. And by the way, if you have something else in your Realtor Bag, let me know. I'd like to add to mine, or maybe you'll add one of these to yours.